Quick update on the bike conversion. The gear is stuck to the hub, so I'll be outfitting a gear around this one. We're going to get some quick measurements for a later video. Where I'll be measuring, the measurements will end up being 65 millimeters, 75 millimeters, and 85 millimeters respectively. Moving on, the motor that I have purchased is a 350 watt 24 volt motor rated for 20 amps. The gear that came with this motor, unfortunately, is too small, and I'll be needing to make a custom gear for that as well. The rest of the parts I will still be able to use without an issue. So first, we have what's going to be the motor mount. Next will be the battery mount. And just to kind of give an example of where I'm at, this is kind of what we're looking at. That's not the type of battery that I'll be using. I'll be removing that shielding since there won't actually be anything there anymore, and we can use it for a different purpose. If you're just catching this project, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and I'll have another video up soon.